And the roll bar is connected to the rear frame in the trunk area. I think I took video of that yesterday. This is the bottom side of the frame that the points 3 and 4 connected on the roll cage. Here's the mock-up of the 275/35 ZR19 tire for the front. Looks like it's going to be tight for the street and track, and I'll probably end up going with a 265 for the Silver State. That's what the tire director in Silver State approved. That 265 would be fine, and there's no issue with the 305 back. So anyway, so we're going to have to adjust the fender to give a little bit more room. This is under normal road height simulation with the jack here, but under full compression it goes up to the rim of the fender. As far as lock to lock, it's close. And video may not come out very well, but it is not rubbing. It looks close, but it's not rubbing. This is a nifty little tool that emulates any wheel offset diameter you can think of. Very nice tool. And again, this tool may be slightly off because it looks like it rubs here but not here, so it's hard to say what it will do, but that's under a full lock condition. And like I was talking to the foreman, I don't think I'm going to be doing full lock turns at 155 miles an hour or even on a road course. You know, things move pretty fast and you don't have to turn much to get things moving. But we'll try it out. So the wheels are on order, and we will mount these 275s on the front and 305s on the back. That's changed from the 315 just to make sure we've got lots of room back there. 305 should be fine. So left-hand turn, no issues. Right-hand turn, a little bit of an issue. But again, and we'll see what happens under when the wheel's on it.